So may update kasi kahapon na kailangan ng ating live hours is more than 5 minutes. Kapag hindi po 5 minutes ang nilive ninyo, hindi po yan counted. Makaka-receive kayo ng notification na broadcast is too short, ganon. So maganong notifications na kung saan yung nilive ninyo is nabaliwala lang. At saka sa pagla-live niyo ng kaunting oras lamang po, wala kayong makakausap nun. Sino makakachikahan nyo nun? Although yes, pwede pa rin naman yung putol-putol. Malay nyo, may bigla ang gagawin kayo, may kukunin kay parcel, naiihi kayo, like that. So, pwede nyo pa rin naman putulin yung live ninyo, pero kailangan naka 5 minutes more than na kayo. So, makaka-receive lang naman ng notification na ganun is yung mga halos less than 5 minutes lang naman po nagla-live. So, if I were you, focus on your live and do your live as much as possible na mas mahaba. Para nang sa ganun, mas marami kayong makilalang mga user. Okay? Mas marami kayong time sa inyong pagla-live, mga kwentuhan, like that. So, kung may mga questions kayo regarding on Popo Live, you can visit me. My user ID 79170. I'm doing live every Tuesday hanggang Saturday. And I have some tutorials on my other social media accounts. Tita Laika.